What is going on, YouTube? I just bought a Gen 5 Ram 1500 with the cargo management system and that bed divider. I watched all these videos of it in the past being able to drop the tailgate and extend the bed using that divider. When I opened my tailgate, I saw nothing but plugs there. So I went on that Ram forum and they showed me what I needed to do to have that bed extender option. So let me show you guys. All you're gonna need is T50 bit. Just gonna screw it into the bed and I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. Here's where the handle and grommet kit is supposed to be, which is now covered up by 2 plugs. I went ahead and used a flathead screwdriver. You can use anything that you can pry underneath there and pop that guy off. Once you get it popped off, you can go ahead and get some needle nose pliers. I used some rusty pair, so there's pain in the butt to grab. But went ahead and ripped them out. Once you rip them out, you need to go ahead and use that T50 bit that I told you to get earlier, and that's what you're going to use to go ahead and screw these this kit in there. I used my impact driver. It was probably better off using a socket though. And the finished product looks great. Adds extra storage to my truck, which I definitely will use when I go camping or just in general picking up stuff from Home Depot. Well worth the $80 to buy that kit. I'll leave the link in the description. Have a good day, guys.